Luohe Tianheng Machinery Co Limited is established in 2014 and located in Luohe City, Hunan Province. Focusing on the research and development, production and sales of mixing and packaging equipment. Also, we provide consumer the whole producing lines for dry food powder industry, including the conveying, mixing, filling, bag packing, product checking, and stacking machine. As a high-tech enterprise, we are committed to providing customers with efficient and intelligent customized solutions. We have skilled and qualified labor team, search and development team, and market sales team, and service team. Our advantage is to provide satisfactory quality machines that comply to consumers' requirement. Also, we have much distributor agent company on domestic and overseas market. In recent years, our company created a global intelligent exhibition hall, online real-life display, remote factory inspection, making cooperation more transparent and efficient. Based on advanced technology, mature quality control, and management satisfactory service, make Tianheng Machinery capture more overseas market share. Our products are exported to many countries, include North America, Southeast Asia, Oceania, Mid-East, and Western European. We believe in mature quality product is the source of the company's survival. Win-win concept is the company's long-term development. Luohe Tianheng Machinery Co Limited has 12 years of technical accumulation, quality assurance, trustworthiness, global customer recognition, serving 50 countries, reputation witness, one-stop service. From design to after-sales, worry-free throughout the process. Our professional team recommends suitable equipment for you, helping enterprises achieve efficient production.